scallion pancake, and start with how we can start from the scratch here. Go with so this is 1 cup of the flour, going to mix with half cup of the hot water, boiled water. All right. So I'm going to 1 cup. So I'm going to have hot water here, boiled water. I reckon your master mommy just told me that shouldn't use the half cup of the boiled water. Need to use 1/3. All right. So once again, 1 cup of the flour mixed with 1/3 of the boiled water. Let's see.
Is there a technique to putting in the water?
No, just stir. Okay. Of course, you need to wash your hands first.
You're all set?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, it's okay.
I don't want to confuse Timothy and Jenny too much.
Okay.
Boiled water is boiled water, all right? So this looking great. You can feel like it become the one piece here. So the purpose of this one, you keep on the stir and press so that you're going to feel like skin, the flour become like a shiny and smooth here.
山光、晨光、手光、面光。
Because this portion of the flour and water is good. You can look at my hands here. It's getting cleaner and cleaner. It's good. I like it. So you need to use put some. With this, we should be able to make it like a 3 pancake. Yeah. See, my hands is shiny here. It's more like a clean. That's the indication about the flour. Everything, the mixture here is almost done.
The bowl.
All right. But unfortunately, some left over here. Beautiful. You can feel that it's one piece and so smooth, shiny, smooth surface of the flour, and your hand so clean. I think it's done here, and I'm going to use a plastic paper covered. Wait for 20 minutes. All right. Hi, this is a part 2, and we tried to make a scallion pancake for today here, and of course we need the scallions, all right, green onion here. So the important thing is how you're going to cut the green onions, and just learn from the first hand from the master mom. Okay, she teach me how to cut, so I'm going to show you how to cut. All right, so let me see. So you're going to cut in a long line here, cut into pieces here. All right.
So you're cutting each one in half?
Yeah, cutting into the in half or
Yeah.
1/3 or something here. So
That's how to make it fun.
yeah. Okay, for demonstration purpose here, try this one here. I'm going to cut in small piece here. 的 sauce.
你要上这个对
Yeah.
呀，就说放这里头。
Here. All right. So this is steps here.
Sesame oil 在哪里呀？
Part 3, and right now this is green onions here. All right, and I'm going to put some sesame oil a little bit. Okay, and don't ask me what the quantity of that one. So just by your feeling here, and the salt and. So personally, I just like to put a little bit salty here because a pancake, otherwise pancake doesn't have the taste. All right, put a salty. So once again, don't ask me how much salt is going to be, and just based on your feeling. All right, so you stir up here, and here I want to put some cooking oil.
Sesame oil.
Cooking oil and the sesame oil together. All right. So together. So this ingredient we have here. Part 4, and this most important parts here, and I need your attention here. So this cutting board, I'm going to spray the flowers on top. All right. So then pick up original flower. I break into 3 pieces here, so that I'm going to put on the floor here, and where's my roller here? All right, so I'm going to make it more like a circular shape here. All right, so I'm going to try to make a more like a rectangular shape. All right, going to this way. Like to make a rectangular shape here. Also rectangular shape, all right? All right. Next steps, spray the cooking oil. Evenly on the top, then spray a little bit of flour on top. Okay, then the second time to spray the oil. The reason for this kind of repeat process is try to make it more crispy and when you make the pancake. All right. So according to the YouTube I watch here, you need to make it 3 times. 3 repetition here. Alright, so I need to put the salt here, spray around. Okay, put the green onion. Even the on top of the flour base here. All right, so the next step is important here, and I'm going to cut. All right, here, cut, make a cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cuts from this side here. So 5 cut. There's so many ways that you can wrap the pancake, all right? But this is the way I like the most because make sure that the green onions is well inside the flour, all right? So what I do is wrap it around here. Wrap around this way on top, continue, wrap around, maybe I make too many cuts here. Alright, I need that. The thinner the better, but you need to know that once you crush, you can see some of the scallion is coming out, but that's inevitable, but it's okay, alright? So, I think this should be good enough here. Okay, right now, pot 5, and put the cooking oil inside here with a very, very hot, high power stove power, so that make a strong to create more heat here. So I'm going to put the pancake inside here. So this small one. So after that, I'm going to put it here and change to the medium heat. Okay, for 5 minutes, then we turn it over. Oh, thank you. Okay, next step is 5 minutes is up, and we're going to turn around to different sides. Okay. By the way,
I don't think the oil is enough. That's okay.
hey, beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, just wait for 3 more minutes. Okay. Masterpiece. So the next one, we need to how to cut. Okay. Mommy, how to cut? Try this way here. This is more like a. This is a Timothy made. Okay.
The pretty one.
Yeah. See? Crispy sound here. See? Here? Wow. Beautiful. All right. So this one, different. Oh, 太棒。Hungry, hungry. Smells good. Jenny, get yourself some. Be careful, too hot. Mommy,
No, I get this one.
how you like it? It's good.
Yeah. With good flavor.
Mission accomplished. Thank you. Bye bye.
Look at the layers.